Imagine a world where surgeons are trained by playing video games. Sounds like science fiction, right? But it's happening now. Virtual reality, VR, is revolutionizing surgical training by allowing doctors to practice complex procedures in a risk free environment. One quirky fact: VR simulations include virtual patients that can sneeze unexpectedly, adding a humorous twist to the training. This sneezing feature helps surgeons prepare for real life surprises in the operating room. It's a blend of humor and high tech innovation. If you found this amusing, hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.